Rahim. I'm Dr. Nizamuddin Utmani, and today I'm going to advise you about the selection of best book for the subject of pharmacology. In pharmacology, we usually advise three books to the students. One is the Ketzung, the other one is the Lipponcot, and the third one is the Tara. So these three are the most commonly used book in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, and some other countries. Usually the students, they prefer these three books. And I will explain one by one in a short video. In my opinion, Ketzung is the best book. Ketzung is available both in the large volume form and also in the short volume form. It's the best book because it gave you a scenario. It explained the medicine first, and then finally it gave you a canvas where they put the medicine, the drugs at different part. So they first explain about the disease, and then later on they explain about the drug and the mechanism of drug, that at which portion of the disease, how they control the different receptor and how they work in different disease. So for me, in my opinion, the best book is the Ketzung. The second one is the Lipponcot. Lipponcot, I personally follow the Lipponcot most because of the time management. Usually, I have once studied or twice studied the Ketzung, and now I'm going to study it as a reference book. But most of the time, I prefer and I go to the Lipponcot and I study the Lipponcot. Usually, I prefer lecture from the Lipponcot. So Lipponcot is also a very good book. The reason behind that is that it is written in a very, very simple English, simple language. And the other one is that it's also gave you a little bit of story type scenario. And then they finally bring you from a larger canvas into a smaller one and tell you that how to select the drugs for that particular disease and how that particular drugs work at that particular disease. So this is the second book. The third one is the Tara. Tara is the shortest format. Most of the students, they prefer the Tara because it is written in the shortest format and it is in the bullet form. And usually the students select this book because they try to memorize those things. So I personally suggest that yes, you can go to study the Tara, but you must study the largest book like Lipponcot or the Ketzung, where you can make a concept. Now, which one of these three books is the best one? How you will select? We tell the student that open the book at any page, study one topic, again study the same topic and another book. Like suppose if you are studying the mechanism of action and the role of epinephrine in different disease. Then you study the epinephrine and Ketzung regarding their clinical uses, regarding their mechanism of action, regarding their adverse effect. Then study the same topic from the Lipponcot, and then study the same topic from Tara. So which one is most suitable for you? Because there are different type of minds and different type of personalities and different type of approaches toward the study. So different people have got different approach. So which one of these three books is suitable for you? Then you select that book and then continue with that book. This is the best option. But if you ask me that what is your suggestion? So my suggestion will be to study the Ketzung alone. That is the best option. Study the Ketzung alone. It will solve all your problem. It will prepare you for the exam. It will prepare you for the MCQs. It will prepare you for the competitive exam, like for the PLAB and like for the USIMILI, where you can get a lot of pharmacology question. And it will also prepare you for postgraduate exam like FCPS in Pakistan and like MD in India and other countries, and like for MRCP and in UK and MD in America. So it will also prepare you for those exams as well. So my first preference and first suggestion will be Ketzung pharmacology, the largest one. And if you are not able, you can say that you are not in a position to study the Ketzung because it is a very high volume book, then you can go for the combination of two books. Either you combine the Lipponcot with the Tara, or you combine the short Ketzung with the Tara, or you combine the short Ketzung with the Lipponcot. So either you follow these three combinations or you follow the largest one. which is the best option. So I'm just giving you the advice that you go through all these books, study one topic in detail in each. Rather, if you can't decide from a single topic, go and study one complete section. Like you can say, you can study the like you can study the cholinomimetic drugs. You can study the cardiovascular system. You can study the chemotherapy of one, like cancer chemotherapy, like you can study the penicillin, like cephalosporin. You study this complete portion from one book. Again, you study the same one from other two books. So then you can get the idea that which one is the best one and which one you can memorize easily. So this was a short advice for all of you. Now, I would say that I hope that this was a quite informative video for all of you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow my videos, also share your comments so that I can also get your feedback timely, and must share this video with your other colleagues in other medical colleges. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Allah Hafiz.